This is why you should replace your entire coil and not just the boot, spring, and pill on a 6.2 Ford Super Duty. Trying to remove the coil boot just ends up breaking this coiled plastic. It's just old and brittle. The coils themselves either work or they don't. It's usually, you can see all this corrosion here that spills out. It's from these little, they call them pills, that go against the coil, and then the spring goes through this boot, and that's what connects it to the plug. Every time you try and pull it out on an older coil, it just completely shatters. You can see this one was the best one, and I still broke it on the bottom. Here's a coil. It came from a truck with 160,000 miles. I assume it's probably original. Maybe it's had one replacement at some point. And I'm going to try and gently take this boot off to replace it. So the coil comes up to here, and you can see the rubber part. You can try and gently pry it up, but you'll break this little ring here, just like that. So if you try and gently twist and pull is your best method. That one didn't break. But you can see the little pill gets corroded and stuck in there. You got to be careful, these ribs hold the pill in, so if you break those, you're going to have to replace the coil. You got to get a pick of some sort to try and get that out. You can see all that's coming out. It's very difficult to get out. So you can sit here and fight with each one of these, or damage them, or just buy a new set. See, that just broke. See all that? That's the problem with the coils and just replacing the boot. If you don't have that many miles on your coils, you could probably get away with it. But you're better off just replacing the whole coil.